WT0499 Mary Ann D. Coffey, 26 years old, single, college graduate, 2 years experience in as helper in Philippines. Tell me something about yourself.
I'm my name is Mary Ann D. Cafe. I am 26 years old. I live in Antipolo City, Philippines. I graduate from University of Rizal System Morong Rizal. I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education, major in General Education, and I also took up caregiving. I am single. I have two brothers and three sisters. I am the third from the eldest. My father is a farmer and my mother is a housewife.
The location, please, how far and how many hours of travel going to Manila?
I live in Antipolo City, Rizal. So it's a province. It took about 2 hours from Antipolo going here in Manila.
Can you tell me your family background?
Um, we are six, no, 8 members in the family, including my mother and my father. And we are 6 siblings. I am the third from the eldest. I have 3 sisters and 2 brothers. Um, one is studying in college and one is studying in high school, and the rest we are they are already having their jobs.
Tell me something about your experience as a helper.
Um, 2 years ago, that was 2009 to 2011, I worked as a helper here in the Philippines. So it's a local employment. There are 3 members in the family. One child aging 7 years old. I clean the house, prepare breakfast, lunch, and dinner, and I also takes care of the child, especially in bathing, dressing, and going to school. And I am the one responsible for laundry and ironing clothes.
Do you know how to cook Chinese foods?
Yes, I know how to cook Chinese foods like lumpia Shanghai, chop suey. That's it.
What are your hobbies?
I love reading books, listening to music, and watching television.
Are you willing to take care of newborn baby?
Yes, I am willing.
How about elderly?
I prefer. I can also. I am also willing to take care elderly, but I am most preferred doing household chores. Second preference is infant care.
Do you know how to do bottle feeding?
Yes, I know.
What are the steps of bottle feeding?
Bottle feeding. First is you are going to gather all the materials needed, like the milk formula, the bottles, and bottles, and hot water. Then you are going to pour the exact amount of milk into the bottle and then put hot water on it, and you are going to shake it palm to palm, like this, so it will not cause bubbles. And then get the baby, you carry it on your lap, and make sure that the water is not too hot, because it will cause the baby to cry. If it is too hot, then you are going to position the bottle 45 degrees angle. Then you are going to let the baby suck the nipple, and then birth the baby halfway and at the end of the feeding. That's it.
If the baby is still keep crying, what will you do?
Crying. If the reason why the baby is crying is because he or the baby is hungry, you can give him the milk. Or if the reason why the baby is crying is he may be, or the baby is in pain, give the baby first aid and carry the baby and sing lullaby.
If the baby has fever, what will you do?
You do the first aid, like giving the cold compress. Then you don't have the need to give back to the baby only sponge bath only, or the bath towel only.
Do you know how to sing lullaby song?
Yes, I know.
Give me one example.
Kakanta talaga. Okay. I-ano siya. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are. Up above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how I wonder what you are.
Do you have any other talents?
Talents. I can cook, dance also, but not very expert, or I can sing like that.
If you feel homesick, what will you do?
I will keep myself busy working and always pray and trust the Lord that He has to give me strength and courage to go on.
If one of your family members will get sick, will you break the contract? What will you do?
If one of my family members will get sick, I will not break the contract. I will just inform my family to not worry, because I will be providing them with money to finance their hospital bills.
What could you teach the children?
I can teach the children good values, like being God-fearing, to study well, and to obey their parents.
How long can you work in Hong Kong, and why Hong Kong?
I am willing to work in Hong Kong for about 2 years, and if ever my employer wants me to renew my contract, I am still willing to renew my contract. And why Hong Kong? I think I have the best opportunity there in Hong Kong.